Hello students, today we will start image formation by spherical mirror. Before starting this topic, we will recap previous lecture, rules for drawing the image formation. We already have done 4 rules we have discussed. The first rule was when rays coming from infinity, incident ray coming from infinity and which is parallel to the principal axis and it passes through focus. Incident ray always coming from infinity. What do you mean by that? Infinity means when object is very far. When for example sun. The rays coming from sun, we can say that rays are coming from infinity. And infinity rays always parallel to the principal axis. When incident ray parallel to the principal axis passes through a focus. When incident ray passes through focus, it's become parallel. When incident ray passes through center of curvature, it reflects back in same path. And when incident ray strike on pole and it reflect at same angle. These 4 rules already we have discussed. And we know that for image formation we require 2 rays. So we will follow minimum 2 rules for image formation. उन चारों में से कोई भी 2 rules हम लेंगे और उससे image form करेंगे. तो किस तरह की image बन सकते हैं by the spherical mirror. And spherical mirror, you know that 2 types of spherical mirror we have discussed. One is concave mirror. So one by one we will discuss by concave mirror, image formation by concave mirror. So first case we are taking when object is at infinity. First case first, when object is at infinity. This is pole, center of curvature and focus. When object is at infinity means ray will come parallel to the principal axis. अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पे है, सपोज यहाँ पे है, तो वहां से रे पैरेलल आएंगी. ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पे होगा तो रेज पैरेलल होंगी एंड पैरेलल रेज ऑलवेज पास थ्रू ए फोकस. तो reflected rays meet at a point. That point is called focus. तो image will form here. Infinity से ray जो आएंगी वो focus पे image बनाएंगी. Because we know that the rule when rays coming from infinity, they will be parallel to the principal axis and they will pass through the focus. And we will write the characteristics of image also. What will be the characteristics of image? Image is the reflected ray actually meet at a point on focus. ये दोनों रे एक्चुअल में मीट कर रहे हैं. तो समझ लो कौन सी इमेज बनेगी? रियल बनेगी. रियल ऑलवेज बी inverted, but we can't see the inverted image because image is very small, very point size. So we can't say image is inverted or not. But we know that real always be inverted. In other cases we can see that real always be inverted. But in this case image is formed very small, very point size. That's why we can't see inverted. So real, inverted and highly diminished. Diminished means very small, very blurred image. Highly diminished and at focus. It form on focus. Clear? First case. Second case. All the cases we will take when object we are bringing from infinity to mirror. सारे इमेज हम कैसे बनाएंगे? इन्फिनिटी से ऑब्जेक्ट को मिरर के पास लेके आएंगे. तो फर्स्ट केस व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट इन्फिनिटी. सेकंड केस व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज बियॉन्ड सी. second case, when object is beyond C, pole, center of curvature, focus, object is here. For image formation we require two rays. So first ray we are taking parallel to the principal axis. Parallel ray always pass through focus. And second ray we can pass through the focus, through the center of curvature, through the pole. Clear? Any rule we can follow. First rule we are taking when incident ray parallel to the principal axis and passes through a focus. Second case we are taking second ray we are passing from focus. Incident ray passes through focus and it becomes parallel. These arrow sides meet here. The image is real and real. Why it is real? Because reflected ray actually meet at a point. That's why real. And we can see that image is inverted, real, inverted and diminished, because size of image is smaller than size of object. So we can write diminished. And between C and F. Okay. Third case. Third case, CF, object is on center of curvature. It's a very important case. Object on center of curvature. Two rules we will apply. First rule we are taking parallel, incident ray which are parallel to the principal axis passes through focus. And second, we can pass through focus and pole also. Suppose we are passing through focus and it becomes parallel. Clear? Reflected ray, incident ray, reflected ray. We have to mark the arrow also. So image will form at the center of curvature itself. Object is on the center of curvature, image also will form at center of curvature. So and size of image also same as size of object. So real image is formed. Real, actually reflected ray actually meet on this point. So that's why real always be inverted and same size and at center of curvature. Next case, pole, center of curvature, focus. Next case, we will put the object between C and F. We are bringing the object from infinity to mirrors. First infinity, then beyond C, then at C, and between C and F. Two rules we will follow for image formation. First rule, we are taking parallel rays. Parallel ray pass through focus. When you draw with scale, it will be proper. Parallel ray passes through focus, and second ray you can strike on pole. This ray, when ray strike on pole, it will reflect at same angle. Image will form beyond C. So image size of image is enlarged than size of object. Real is formed. Real inverted magnifying. Magnifying means size of image is enlarged than size of object. Magnifying and beyond C. Next case, we will put the object at focus, pole, center of curvature and focus. Parallel ray pass through a focus, and second ray will strike on pole, and both ray will become parallel, and parallel ray always meet at infinity, because we know that when rays coming from infinity they will be parallel, and when reflected ray move to infinity, it means they will meet at infinity. They will meet at infinity, it means the real image will form, real inverted, highly magnified, बहुत बड़ी इमेज बनेगी इन्फिनिटी पे जाके, क्योंकि इन्फिनिटी से अगर कोई रेज आ रही है तो जब जो जाएगी पैरेलल जा रही है, तो इसका मतलब इन्फिनिटी पे जाके मीट करेगी वो, और एक बहुत बड़ी इमेज फॉर्म होगी, हाईली मैग्निफाइड, रियल इन्वर्टेड, हाईली मैग्निफाइड एंड इट एट इन्फिनिटी. Last case, pole, center of curvature and focus. When object is between pole and focus, parallel ray passes through focus, and second strike on pole. These rays will never meet. When we extend them, they will meet behind the mirror. It means these rays are not meet actually. It means virtual image will form. When we extend the rays, virtual image always formed. So in this case, virtual formed, virtual always be erect. We can see that image is erect, virtual erect, and it's also magnifying, highly magnifying, highly magnified and behind the mirror. Behind the mirror means virtual image will form. So these are 6 cases for the concave mirror, and we can see that every type of image we can form by the concave mirror. Every type of image, real we can form, virtual we can form, real, inverted, highly diminished, and same size, magnifying, highly magnifying, and virtual, erect. All type of images we can form by the concave mirror. Now we will discuss 2-3 important points related to concave mirror. We can see that when object is bringing from infinity to mirror, an image, we can see that image is moving away from the mirror. This thing we can see that when object is coming from infinity, an image moving away from the mirror and it's becoming enlarged. अब देख सकते हो when object is at infinity, object size is minimum. When object is beyond C, size will be large. Then same size. Object is bringing from infinity, and image is moving away from the mirror. And in one point we can say that object and image will cross with each other. And that point is called center of curvature. When they will cross, on that point, size of image and size of the object will be same. And beyond the C, image size will become enlarged. We can see that. Image will become enlarged. In this case, image will become enlarged at infinity. Last case is exceptional case. We can say that in this case only virtual image will form. In other cases, all images will be real and inverted. When object is between pole and focus, only in this case virtual and erect image will form. Clear? Next important thing, when object is at infinity, image will form at focus. And when object is at focus, image will form infinity. Both are reciprocal. Clear? In this case, when object is beyond C, image will form between C and F. And when object is between C and F, image will form beyond C. So these are the reciprocals. So these important things, important points also we will apply in numericals. So we have to learn these things also. So this is the image formation by concave mirror. All characteristics, all type of images we can form by plane mirror. Clear? It depends on where the object we are placing. Virtual, erect, inverted and magnified. Second, by convex mirror. By convex mirror, two cases we will discuss. Two types of cases we will discuss. Number one, by convex mirror. First case, when object is at infinity. Pole, center of curvature and focus. When object is at infinity, rays will parallel to the principal axis, and after striking on the mirror, it diverges, because convex mirror also is called diverging mirror. So this ray will diverge, and when we extend this ray, it will appear to pass through a focus. Clear? And second ray, because two rays required for image formation, then image also will diverge, and when we extend them, these two rays appear to meet at focus. It means these reflected ray will not meet actually. When we extend them, because we know that parallel ray always pass through a focus, appear to pass through a focus. So in this case, rays not actually pass through a focus, but when we extend them, they appear to pass through a focus, and image will form here. So it means virtual image will form, virtual and highly diminished image. Highly diminished image. Virtual always be erect. Erect we can't see here because image size is very small. Highly diminished. So virtual, highly diminished, erect and at focus. Clear? First case. Second case. In second case, object is at any point on the principal axis. First case, when object is at infinity, and second case, object is at any point on the principal axis. Center of curvature, focus. So any point we are putting object, any point on the principal axis. Same parallel ray, first ray, it will diverge and appear to pass through a focus, and second ray, this is pole, second ray strike on pole, it will reflect at same angle, and both rays are different directions, they will not meet actually. When we extend them, this ray, when we extend, they will meet here, means image will form between pole and focus. So virtual, erect, we can see that clearly, virtual image formed always erect, and between, okay, diminished also, because size of image is small, and between pole and focus. So there are two cases for convex mirror. First is when object is at infinity, and second case when object is at any point on the principal axis. In this case we can see that only virtual, erect and diminished type of image we formed. In concave mirror we can't decide that in which type of image will be formed, because it depends on the object. But in convex mirror we can see that only same characteristics images will formed, because in infinity image will form virtual and highly diminished, in this case virtual and diminished. In convex mirror only virtual, erect and diminished image will form, but in concave mirror every type of image will form. Clear? So these are the characteristics and image formation by spherical mirror. In next video we will discuss the numericals related to the spherical mirror. Thank you.